Hey everybody, how you doing? EP Math. All right. So I'm hoping that you watched part one first, the field trip to the store, and I hope you enjoyed it. So I was just thinking that we were supposed to go on our field trip to the store when we got back. You guys have been working really hard. We got really good at this stuff. And we wanted to go do it in real life and let you guys go do a big old shopping list for Mr. Rupel. We're going to do that still. We'll be back at school. I'm hoping we're going to get back this year. That's my hope. All right? So, couple things. When we had Zoom today, I put a couple problems on the whiteboard. I still kind of have them up there if you can see it. And a few of you guys had problems with it, and that's okay because we haven't done this for a month. Okay? So, I wanted to show you a couple things. So, if you see in your ad here, the strawberries says 3 for $10. Okay? Remember how at school I used to have on the board that 3 for $10, and if Mr. Rupel said, I want you to buy 4 packages of strawberries, you guys got to figure out how much does each package cost to get the total price that you'll have to spend. So it's very simple, and we use calculators, okay? If it says 3 packages for $10, it is equivalent to 10 divided by 3. So in your calculator, you punch in 10, the division sign, which on the calculator is going to look like this, divided by 3. Your answer is going to say 3.333333 on your calculator, right? Now we know, and we talked about this, that we have to round there. We either have to round it up or we leave it the same, right? So if it's 3.33, we look at this last spot right here. This last spot tells me, what do I do with the 33 cents? Does it stay 33 cents or do we move it to 34? Well, since it's 3, we leave it alone because anything 4 and below, we don't do anything, we leave it the same. If this was a 5 or higher, we would round it up to $3.34, okay? So that's just gonna be basically $3.34 each. So if Mr. Rupel wanted 4 of them, we would multiply 3.33 times 4, okay? And I think if you guys practice that on your calculator, just like that, just practice on your own, your calculator, use your phone. Most of them have a calculator on them. And just go through that method of punching everything in. It'll trigger your memory. Oh, that's how we do that. And then the other problem we kind of did today was, you can see up there, steaks, $3.49 a pound, okay? So simply with that is what you're going to do with your calculator. It's $3.49 a pound. So remember, it's important that when you're punching in your calculator, you're punching in the decimal point, okay? It's 3.49, and then we're going to go times, and I'd ask for 4.5 pounds. So then after the times, you're going to punch in 4.5 on your calculator. So let's just start from the beginning. You just punch in 3.49, the times sign on your calculator, 4.5, and then you hit the equal sign, and that will be your answer. And that's it. So I hope that refreshes your memory a little bit. I think you guys all know this really well, and I think that's all it takes, a little bit of practice. So here's what we're going to do. I am going to send out another copy of this email. And this is just a general list, okay, that your parents, for those of you who can print it out, and this will be a template that they can use. And then what I'll do is I'll email out the list of what stuff from the certain shopping ads the kids will look for. Now, I will email a link, and I know some of you have had a hard time with the links as far as security on your computers, and I understand that. It's some of you guys are using your parents' work computers, understandable. So, big thing here. It'd be great if everybody could watch in your mail on Tuesdays. Usually on Tuesdays, the ads come in, or Wednesdays. Grab the ads. If your parents are going to the store, tell them to grab an ad, and we can go like that. It'd be a lot easier if you had the physical thing to use just like we had in class. If not, you can use a link on the computer. Okay, we can do either or. For those of you, and I sent out an email earlier today, that for those of you that do not have a printer at home, I've been getting great response from that. I have a list going, and I'm giving everybody some time that haven't had a chance to read the email. As soon as I get that list, I'm going to go up to the Staples this weekend. I'm going to print off the materials for the next 3 weeks, so to cover all the month of April, and mail those to you. That way, when we're doing this stuff on Zoom, every kid can have the stuff in hand. We had some great discussion today. I had a couple kids reading our story. That's the kind of interaction I would like to see from our EP program. So whatever I can do to help you, let your parents know, respond to the email, I will get the materials to you. I just want everybody to be able to be on an equal playing field when we're on Zoom, and we can do a lot more with this if we have everybody with the materials in hand. Also, I will be emailing out over the weekend also more of the minute maths and more of the multiplication division sheets. And for those of you that have already reached out to me about your kids are doing certain things, I'm going to individualize it for you and get the materials out that you need to use as well for your kiddos. All right, that's it for math, guys. Our next videos won't be out till next week. It's Good Friday on Friday. We'll see you soon. My videos for the ELA will post shortly. Bye, guys. Mr. Ripples out.